Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the assistant professor or lecturer or faculty vacancies from the three arts and science colleges. Here the UGC NET is not mandatory and there is no application fee, and the selection maybe depends upon the direct interview. So let us see the details regarding all these three colleges. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the first college is Subramania College of Arts and Science. It is affiliated to Madurai Kamaraj University, Madurai, and it is in Palani. Here the applications are invited for the post of professor, assistant professor, and the non-teaching vacancies are also there. So coming to the departments or the subject, here in the teaching, Tamil, English, Mathematics, Management, Commerce, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science, Information Technology, Physical Director and Librarian. And coming to the non-teaching, Office Assistant, Clerk, Accountant, Cashier, Tamil Typing and Tally preferable. So these are the different teaching and non-teaching positions are there. And coming to the teaching positions, the qualifications are as per the UGC norms, NET, SLET, SET or MPhil or PhD with experience. So you may apply within the 10 days. As per the facultyplus.com website, this application or else this notification released on the 2nd December 2020. So 10 days means up to 12th there is a time, but as soon as possible try to apply to this one. Okay, and here the salary is negotiable. So here the chairman, Subramania College of Arts and Science, Palani, Main Road, 624618, it is the address, and the mobile numbers are also given here. So please note down the mobile numbers. If you are having any queries regarding this process or this announcement, so you may mention your query through these phone numbers. The mobile numbers are, note down, 9566715858, and then next one is 63855740004. It is a mobile phones, and here the phone number is also there. Just note down 04252252011. And here the mail IDs are provided, scas_09@yahoo.co.in, and it is a website. Okay, so if you are having any queries regarding this notification, so you may call to these numbers. Okay, and now while coming to the second one, it is Khalsa College, Amritsar, and the Khalsa College of Education. So it is autonomous college, guys. So in this autonomous college, the applications are invited for the post of assistant professor on regular basis, management posts, but on probation period with basic grade in the agriculture department. And while coming to the Khalsa College of Education, applications on prescribed pro forma available with the office of the undersigned are invited for the post of assistant professor in education like physics, English, Punjabi, performing arts, in music. On 3 years contract basis, the salary is 15,600 plus 6,000 is equal to 21,600 is the consolidated pay, and the eligible candidates in accordance with the qualification may send their applications to the honorary secretary within 7 days from the publication of this advertisement. So as per the facultyplus.com, this website is published on 2nd December 2020. So within 7 days means before 9th December you can apply. Okay, so through registered post, and PhD will be preferred, and the reservation for SC/ST candidates and person with disabilities will be followed as per the rules. Okay, so here the contact numbers are also given here for the Khalsa College of Amritsar. So note down 0183 501 5511. And while coming to the Khalsa College of Education, It is 0813501560. So if you are having any queries regarding this application or how to apply and the selection procedure, then you may contact to these numbers. And coming to the third one, it is the JP College of Arts and Science, okay, Tenkasi, run by DMI Sisters. So here the wanted principals and faculty members for the BSc Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Electronics and Communication, CSIT and Visual Communication. And coming to the BA English and BCom General, CS and PA, BCA and BBA, MA in English, MCom CA and MSc CS, Maths. So applications along with the detailed resume for the post should be sent by email to hr@dmifoundations.org on or before 10th December 2020. Okay, so the candidates, if you're having the post graduation in these departments with UGCNET or without UGCNET also, you may send your resume to this provided email ID here on or before 10th December 2020. And here the contact numbers are also there. So I'm telling the contact numbers, please note down. If you are having any doubts, then you may contact these numbers. So the first one is 80125-20430 and the second one is 80125-20414. Okay. So total these are the three different types of, three different colleges where the assistant professor faculty vacancies are announced. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of posts, and please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this, and after subscribing tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys, okay? And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.